Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add a bank account in Agoda. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to agoda.com, where you will be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. If you do not have one, you can always go and register to Agoda. So guys, if you do not know how to register, you can always go into our profile YouTube channel, where we have a lot of different how to Agoda videos, where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we have in front of us. So we have a lot of different options. We have the hotels and homes. We have where you can choose from different hotels and homes that you want. We have transport, where you have flights, buses, trains, ferries, airport transfer, and car rentals. We have coupons and deals, where you can go and see different kind of coupons and deals that they have to offer. And also we have the apartments, where you can see which apartment you can choose from. Now in the top right corner, you can click on list your place to list your place on Agoda. Also, we have the suggested languages, where you can go and try to see which language, not try, but find your language and choose the language that you want. Also, we have the currency, where you can choose from different kind of currencies that you want. And we have the shopping cart, where all your things will be stored. And in the top right corner, you have bookings, property messages, Agoda cash, where I have 0 at the moment, cashback rewards, Agoda VIP, saved properties list, reviews, points max, profile, and the sign out button. But guys, now let's see how you can add the bank account in Agoda. The first thing that you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on your profile here. When you're there, you just need to go and see the payment methods, where you can actually go and put your credit card here, and you'll have it on your Agoda account. Now guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.